Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I want to do tests. And for my test I'm going to use, I don't want the Meeden white, I'm having brain cramps today, excuse me. The Anita's White Metallic, just to dampen the surface of my canvas. And then I'm going to use a couple orange colors that I like and maybe some pink, and just use my swipe card with some of the Australian, excuse me, not Australian, yeah, it's one of those days, one of those moments anyway, Amsterdam Black with Floetrol and pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax mixed into it. Wow, trouble talking. All right, so for this test, I'm going to be a little outrageous and just put what I want everywhere. I opened you, bottle. I'm pretty sure I have another color, orange. Yes. And I have some fluorescent pink. And now that I've done that, I want some yellow, some real yellow. Can I have it? That's the question. I don't think so. I have two, and the one I would prefer to have is actually open. Alright, so it's a here goes with nothing kind of moment. And I could use a spatula. That might even be a better idea. But I'm not going to do that. What am I going to do? I am going to grab a little clothing tag. Do I want some gold in there? You know what? I have some gold. That seems to be working as well, if not better than I expected. I'm not getting any green, and that's cool. Because sometimes there's black, with black there's green if you use yellow. I got a little white spot right in the middle. That's interesting. I want to try this. Because I can. I'm going to have to drag some paint over the edge, I can tell you now, because I should have done it before if I was going to do it. What if that would tip? Probably not. Kind of want to put some white in there because I like the white. There's especially no rules with this one. So that's the Meeden black. And I kind of want to see. If it sells like I think it will, and it kind of does. What color do I want in there, if anything? I think some red. Which is not open either. Go figure. Okay, I'll just settle for some hot orchid, which is not really settling for anything. It's more like an upgrade. That spreads so nicely. That is investment paint. I got a lot of cells. I found out what I needed to find out. Now I just want to make it into the composition I want it to be. I don't think a little bit of the purple flash from Folk Art is going to hurt anything at all. Matter of fact, if it gets closer to being over the edge, that's not a bad thing. Kind of get rid of most of my white. If I ruin this, this might wind up on my other channel. I have some turquoise that I did find and did open. What can I do with that? I can grab a skewer. There, that's sort of a cheerful bunch of colors. I'm not sure it amounts to much. I'll throw a spiral in there. A couple of them. Couple few. Call it good. Alright. I don't know if I'd call that quick or not, but it is what it is, and I got my experiment taken care of. And I'm probably going to utilize that information right after I finish spiraling out a whole bunch more stuff. Which is altogether too much fun, and I recommend it highly. Alright, I'm going to torch that to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys to check out my link tree, which is the first blue link under the video if you'd like to. My website is there, pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, all kinds of stuff is there. I see that little tiny, what looks like a bloom without a center. So I'm going to make it into a bloom. Because I can. I could do that in more places. Guess what? Just somebody stop me. Yeah, a couple flowers never hurt anything. That's kind of fun. I see one more place I want to fix. Well, I did a second ago, yes. It's going right in there. Just wanted that little bit of hot orchid. Alright, did I say I was going to torch? Twice? Lots and lots and lots of cells. If you guys watch me all the time, then you know everything that I usually tell you, including the fact that I have over 2,000 videos, and if you want to find them, you go to my channel, playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and you'll find them. And if you can't find them, you can always ask me. Yes, I did. And I have no regrets. Better and better. Let's zoom in. So many cells. Just a little thing. Just an experimental artwork. Let's turn that sideways so you can see all of it. Some wild colors. Just fun. Alright, don't forget there's a monthly drawing. And if you want to be in it, a contribution through PayPal or Patreon will get you in automatically. On the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, you will find the icons, or the link is on the link tree. My email address is below the link tree. When you click show more, you'll find the paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. Please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. You make me happy. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it's the most help of all. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, please inquire using the email address and the hashtag and the file number found in the video title. What else can I tell you? I have the Gallerist investment clothing on the top link on the link tree. My Amazon link is also on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. My 2 books are there, volumes 1 and 2, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Spring clothing has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and if you click on one of the items you see under the video, it'll take you to a whole lot more. If you need questions answered, feel free to ask. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.